and even all the way down to Antarctica.
We're taking a drive down to the port and then a boat ride on the Temple Pata River. Here you might see the footprints of the jaguar or even spot a red howler. Everyone look around you! Wow! Now you are in one of the most biodiverse parts of the planet, the Peruvian Amazon. To feast on clay. Did you know that this is one of the largest playlists of its kind in the world?
Alright, now ladies and gentlemen, keep your eyes right up there. Let's welcome Adrian and Ferrari, our beautiful scarlet horse. Tonight, a very short while, these will close the line all the way to the clear wall right over here, okay? So whenever you're ready, guys, please make your next stop. There you go. Good. Tonight, as you know, the horse have got very sharp and pointed bills. And because of that, they tend to eat unripe fruits. There are toxins in those fruits that are very harmful for the birds. So eating clay neutralizes the toxins. Clay also have minerals such as sodium that can't be found in their diet. Amazing, right?
That's right, Sabrina. That means no upset tummy. Looks like Adrian and Ferrari are still enjoying the salty feast. Can we give them a big hand, everyone? Yes, welcome to Mandai's Bird Paradise right here in Singapore. Did you know that this park is home to 3,500 birds, over 400 alien species?
Oh, look at it!
Enough birds, Sabrina?
Where are they going?
Bring home.
Oh, there's a small!
Wow. Is that enough, Sabrina?
No, I want to see more birds, please.
More birds? Alright. Actually decided to be some special friends of the park. Everyone, look right up there. Let's welcome Gaia.
Taking some slide down to buzz on stage. There you go.
Gaia is the highest in form.
Okay, speaking about nest materials.
This is what it looks like from the inside. Take a look at the screen.
Oh, it's got Gaia right over there. Hi Gaia, what's happening?
The Gaia